Oh baby, she is melted. Y'all, I haven't installed a wig in so long. Okay, the wig said, you know what, I'm out of here as well. You're not about to fool with me. But yeah, of course, your girl is in love with the pink. I save all of my boxes, especially if they're good quality like this. I store everything in them. So a little information card, of course. And it did come with 2 wig caps. I already used one of them already. See, I've done my ball cap. And here's the wig. Okay, Byebye knots glue strips. That's what's up. When I say I am starving, I'm hungry. I think I'm ready to fix me some cereal, baby. Something real quick and easy. But here's the lace. Look gorgeous per usual. Like I did mention, this is a closure. It's pretty wide. Okay, they have a smaller adjustable band. And of course you have a comb down at the bottom in the back. And then you do have this drawstring strap in the back, because with your curly wigs, you want to make sure they're nice and snug and they don't go flying with the wind. But really quick, y'all, I've had this Frontal Queen melting lace spray close to a year, and I just opened it up. And we're going to see what the hype is all about, because on TikTok, baby, they are raving about this lace spray. Now, before I go into melt the lace, I want to see how this wig looks glueless, because this wig is promoted as a glueless unit. Wow! Y'all, the lace come the lace come all the way down below my temple. Baby, stop. Look how flat that is. I'm not even exaggerating. This look good. Y'all, melt where? Who needs this? If this don't take this install to the moon, because look how seamless this wig is. Of course, this wig is pushed for everyone. It's not just pushed for women of my color. So I will have to go in with a little foundation to get the lace to match. If my skin was more fair like this would have blended in easily. But I'm a brown skinned chocolate baddie. So I got to see. I'm so excited. I'm hungry now. I got leftover Chipotle. I got leftover Chipotle. Today is gonna be a good day. I got leftover Chipotle. Okay. Baby, they might as well call this a full frontal. If you want to wear wigs but you don't know where to start with this one. Because the frontals, it'd be too much work with the ear tabs. The closures, low-key, they just be ugly and wiggish when they be stopping right here. But this, the lace go all the way around, and look how tight and snug it is. And baby, I haven't even did the drawstring in the back. I'm gonna say that for later though, because I'm about to go heat up my Chipotle, because the other day Chipotle had buy a burrito, get a bowl for free, and I was all in there and I forgot about my bowl. Okay, wait, I need some gloss. I got this NK gloss from the hair store. Love it down. It's so nice. I only really honestly got it because the tube is pink, but I love her. Okay. Wow, my hair look good. The wig is ready right out the bag. Now, I do have this new Frontal Queen lace spray. My question is, if I apply this lace spray to my lace, will I still need to add makeup? Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. We have to test this out. Alright, wig is back on. Let me adjust the drawstrings in the back. Pull this and then pull the little stopper up and tuck the remaining of the strings under the wig, and boom, nice and secure. Honestly, this needs to be flatter. Okay, I think that's a little flatter. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm all flat prepped and ready. Now, moment of truth. I have a little dirty makeup brush right here. Oh, she thick. Moment of truth. Is she melting? A wee bit. There's no need to wait. Honestly, this brush has a little makeup on it. I don't know if that's what's doing it. Let me do my finger. Okay. I might be talking. Let's tie this down. Go behind my ears before you have my ears on fire. It is 1:58. Well, actually, I can use this time to define my curls. I only want to add product to like the top half. The bottom, I love the curls. I don't want to disturb those until the very last minute. So I have some water and some wrap lotion. Lightly mist my ends. Then I will just separate these chunks individually so that we still have that spiral curl at the bottom. They're just not as chunky and defined. Right here. Alright, you see the difference. This side where they're still like clumped together. And then this side where I ever so slightly pulled the curls apart. Alright, I'm back. My hair is dry enough. It is 2:34. I have to get this band off. My head is killing me. I went out and took my dog for a walk and the whole time like, just take it off, just take it off. But I said I will wait for this moment here. Oh, she? Oh, baby, she is melted. I gotta wait until this line from my band goes away, but wow. It covers. I don't even need to do any baby hair. Okay, here's the finished look. The lace, yes, she look good. Now, I must say this topic of if I can just use this alone without using any makeup, that the results are inconclusive. Because honestly, my brush, it had makeup on it prior to me adding the product. And even when I took the spray and sprayed on my finger first and then placed it on the lace where I had not put any product yet, I feel like just me rubbing it in and it going against my skin that already has makeup on it, it made it blend in. So I will have to touch back up on this topic of if I can just use this alone without using any makeup. So I'm gonna have to install my wig on a fresh face basically. But hypothetically, the answer is yes, you can use this Frontal Queen lace spray on its own. You don't need any lace tint. You don't need to add any makeup, anything like that. I didn't add any makeup to my part, which means this wig and the knots came bleached. So I love that. I love how flat and seamless my install is. And then you've seen that the lace was already cut. So you guys leave me a comment down below and let me know if you would try this out. And baby, the hole is there. Go get yours. I will leave the link down below. That's on Amazon, so you can go get this. Like, can homeboy turn his car off? He pull up and he's sitting. Ooh, did he hear me? One thing about me, I'm gonna talk some shit and then get scared. So yeah, just pull up and be sitting in the car blasting music forever. But yeah, I was gonna add baby hair. No baby hair is needed. And this is curly hair, and I always, like almost always add baby hair when it comes to my curly wigs. But this look good. This is a keeper. This is a true slap on and go. Look at the curls. I love it. So yeah, here's the finished look. And baby, the hold is there. I didn't even add that much product. Look at that. Wow. Yes, send me the wigs. Let me get the wigs. I wonder if I can just go under it. How I do my other lace sprays. Oh, baby, this lace spray. What? Ouch. Okay. All right, I was just curious. I ain't ready to take it off yet. Hold on.